Proton saga Blm FLX. Install Convex Z series 9-inch Android GPS player with good fitting OEM casing. So we change the casing. This is non-pop-up version, good fitting. Okay, IPS screen, multi-angle view, still same color. OEM socket plug and play. Connect with Gogo night view reverse camera. Setting, network internet. Turn on Wi-Fi. Connect with your phone hotspot for internet. T3 version, 2GB RAM, 16GB storage. Full menu. Play Store, login Gmail, download app. Styling control, so you can set your styling control. Equalizer, so this is DSP function. 14 fan, flexible. Let me show you. Click for the music. Okay, EQ. Sound navigation, navy sound and media sound volume mixing. System setting, factory setting, password 1617. So you can change your boot logo. Crop your JPEG file to 1024x600 pixel. Screen off. Nighttime driving, music will keep on. Press any way to turn it on. Okay, so this is Convex Z series, 2GB RAM, 16GB storage with OEM big screen casing, OEM's power socket plug and play. Connect with styling control. Good fitting OEM casing. Okay, installed by One Piece. Video by Andy. Thank you.